Well, I'm here today to check on the Elixir Greenhouse because we had some severe winds overnight and this morning. They clocked at the local airport at over 75 miles an hour. So we're just pulled in here. Take a look at the Elixir Greenhouse, see how it made it. Wind is howling. Oh boy, that doesn't look good. Wind's still blowing hard. There's quite a bit of damage there. Very unfortunate. Oh, look, got some trees down. Looks like this big pine tree here went down into the greenhouse. Well, that doesn't look good. Fence is crushed. Oh, what a shame. Oh yeah, that's definitely wrecked there. Well, that's some heavy duty winds. You can see trees. Damage is done. Luckily, the growing season was over. We got to look at the bright side. That's the only good thing I could see. And the giant tree did not hit the shop. There's some big ones blowing. Hopefully, they'll stay up. That one didn't make it. But I missed the shop, thank God. Well, no good news today.